She'll lie and steal and cheat and beg you from her knees, make you think she needs it this time. She'll tear a hole in you, the one you can't repair. But I still love her, I don't really care. When we were young, oh, we did enough. When it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done. It's better to feel pain than nothing at all. The opposite of love's indifference. So pay attention now. I'm standing on your porch screaming out, and I won't leave until you come downstairs. So keep your head up, keep your love, keep your head up, my love. Keep your head up, my love. Keep your head up,
Honey, won't you please sing another song? Honey, won't you please be gone? Your sentimental shakedown rattles through my bones. Honey, won't you, honey, please move your honey on? Mama, won't you take another turn? Mama, when you go home, learn trouble comes to everyone who dares to be a muse. Mama, won't you, mama, please spare your mama's blues. What you don't know never will hurt you. Don't you know that I used to pray like all the others on what you never will. Honey, won't you, honey, please hold that honey still. Sister, won't you show mercy for my deeds? Sister, won't you hear my pleas? Virtue takes a lover, and vice God only knows. Sister, won't you, sister, please let your sister go. Honey, won't you listen to my song? Honey, won't you please be strong? You may not see the ending, but the story's not so long. Honey, won't you, honey, please shake your honey, hun. What you don't know never will hurt you. Don't you know that I used to pray like all the others on what you never will. Honey, won't you, honey, please hold that honey still. Honey, won't you, honey, please hold that honey still. Honey, won't you, honey, please hold that honey still.